let me take a moment to share a story that have touched our team yesterday. Yes, just yesterday, while the darkness blanketed Panglao, our dedicated registration committee set an early travel. Alas 4 sa Kadlawon, ibiyahe sila pa diri. Their only mission sa akong team was to make everything ready for the registration kagahapon. Because, as promised, we would welcome participants 8 in the morning yesterday. But when our team arrived at the venue, still hours before the sunrise, they were greeted by a moving scene. A teacher patiently waiting. A mother patiently waiting kung iyahang anak. Alas 6 pa sa buntag. Still sleeping from the road, quietly seated, having traveled all the way from Alicia just to register yesterday's registration day here in Agna. Imagine the sacrifice. Lamig pa kaayo unta matulog katong mga orasa, braving the early morning air with nothing but hope, excitement, and the desire to be part of something meaningful. Despite of the schedule, despite of the challenges of daily life, this mother on the screen offered her divided time just to be here, just like you. Kung kuman mo register in tawon katong mama, kuman sa mubagad, the mother and the child didn't linger any time. They simply made their way back to the bus terminal and endured again another long trip back home to Alicia, carrying only a quiet sense of fulfillment and deep respect. This simple act is more than just attendance. It is a testament of love, sacrifice, and unyielding spirit of Abulanon. In their tired faces and unwavering commitment, we see the best of our community. Teachers willing to rise just like you today. Willing to rise before the sun and travel a great distance simply to show up to your classes. Simply to show up to your students. I know this is not just an ordinary to most of you, but let me highlight and cherish moments like this, for they remind us that the true strength of our gathering today is not the number of participants,